Nakasaad pa dyan yung pangalan ni Colonel Lachica. Yes,
Objection, Your Honor. The document would speak for itself, Your Honor.
Yung tanong ka,
Tinatanong kayo ng English, sumasagot po kayo. Bakit ngayon parang hirap na hirap? Kailangan i-translate sa Tagalog, sa Bisaya, sagot, Tagalog, Bisaya, Tagalog, Bisaya. Eh, abutin mo tayo ng isang taon dito, Mr. President. Ito po, sumagot naman po siya. Alam ba naman, lulukuhin tayo ng nagtatranscribe po nito. Sagot-sagot po yan. Kasi po, nagbabase lang po ako sa ibinigay ni Sir Lachica ng mga ibinalik niya sa akin. Mr. Costa, kindly answer the question. Piatos po ang sinabi ko, ma'am, na apelyido. That's all, Mr. President.
Nakasaad ba dyan sa kahit anong dokumento yung sinasabi nyo na lahat ng inputs, yung sinulat nyo sa plano, lahat ng inputs sinulat nyo sa reporting to COA. Nakasaad ba dyan yung pangalan ni Colonel Lachica? Yes,
Objection, Your Honor. The document would speak for itself, Your Honor.
yung tanong kasi niya, nagrambula na yung tanong eh. May pahinto-hinto pa kasi. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat o magandang gabi dyan sa ibang ha. Ito na naman, patuloy nating na panuurin itong impeachment trial ni VP Sara at tayo pa magre-react dito sa part 2 natin dito sa araw na ito ng impeachment kung saan ay ang itong witness na ito na si Gina Acosta po ay kino-cross-examine ni Ligutan, Attorney Ligutan at may mga tanong rin itong mga senator judges patungkol dito sa witness na ito. Yan ang ating aabangan at magre-react tayo dyan, okay? Pero bago ang lahat guys, pag-usapan rin natin itong Vice President Sara Duterte, nag-file na siya laban dito kay, tingnan niyo ito, ayan, Vice President Sara Duterte today, August 17, filed another perjury complaint against self-proclaimed bagman Ramil Madriaga. Ayan, before the Taguig City Prosecutor's Office. Ayan, nagsampa po ng kaso si VP Sara dito kay Ramil Madriaga. Sinungaling yan si Madriaga. Tama lang yan ginagawa mo, VP Sara. Ayan po si VP Sara nag-take ng oath kasama si Attorney Paulo Panelo. Ayan. VP Inday personally signed and swore to the perjury complaint against Ramil Madriaga, accompanied by her counsel, Attorney Paulo Panelo. This is her second perjury complaint against Madriaga, following the first filed on March 4. Laban VP Inday, ayan. So, ayan, maganda na nag-file na itong si VP Sara. Lagot ka dito, Ramil Madriaga. Hindi ka na makalabas sa kulungan. Hindi ka na makalabas sa kulungan yan. Yan po ang update kay VP Sara Nag-file po siya ng perjury complaint laban dito kay Ramil Madriaga. Anong masasabi nyo dito? I-comment nyo lang, okay? Pero bago natin panoorin yung impeachment ni VP Sara, ay paki-like muna at saka paki-share itong video natin para kakalat ito sa taong bayan. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na po kayo para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga trending at updated na mga balita dito sa Donmar TV. Okay? Walang bayad yan, so subscribe na po kayo. Babati muna ako ng kaunti sa mga nagpapa-shoutout. Adita Lamberte, God PM Sir Donmar, watching from Greenville, San Isidro, Talisay City, Cebu. Ayan, shoutout sa mga taga Talisay, Cebu. Ma'am Adita, thank you. Visitasyon Garbin, mabuti pa, manood na lang kayo sa Kadayawan ng Davao, masaya pa. Correct. Visitasyon Garbin, maraming salamat. Reynaldo Ramos, conclusive of facts and law. Ayan, yun ang sabi ni Reynaldo Ramos. Frankie Asinas, maganda naman pala ang mga plano ng Office of the Vice President. Correct. Maraming salamat, Frankie Asinas. Arnold Ulimba, may makeup artist siguro yan. Sila ang team prosecutors. Halos same ang ayos nila. Si Dilima, ganyan din sa tingin ko. Pareha siguro ng makeup artist sila. Sir Arnold, thank you. Chinayi. Yes, yan, pinalabas nila at yun ang gusto nila kahit walang ebidensya. Ayan. So ito, pahabol dito sa mga nagtatanong. Ang dami kasi nagme-message Ito po yung Tumblr ni VP Sara. Yan, bili na kayo, pareha kayo kay VP Sara niyan. Yan yung link dyan kayo sa link bumili niyan para may commission po tayo kaunti. Ayan para lalagyan nyo ng tubig, 24 hours na yan na malamig. Kape, 24 hours na yan na mainit yung kape ninyo. Yan, maganda po ito sa sports niyo, basketball, pickleball, lahat na, running, lahat. Dala-dala nyo itong tumbler na ito, maganda ito. Yan yung link Hydro Flask po ito. Ayan, dyan kayo bumili. Pareha tayo kay VP Sara. Ayan, bumili na ako kasi para ano naman tayo, idol natin yan si VP Sara. Okay, ito po, without further ado, panoorin natin itong continuation sa nangyayari kanina. Naputol, di ba? Yung ating vlog kanina. Ito naman yung continuation. Play natin at magre-react tayo dito. Ito si Ligutan ang nag-cross-examine sa witness. Play. Uy, bakit hindi ba play? Wait muna Play.
Po yung sinusulat ninyo mula kay Colonel Lachica. Kumukuha po kayo ng input sa kanya kung anong itatype o isusulat nyo dyan.
After we discuss po, Your Honor.
Pagkatapos nyo mag-usap ni Colonel Lachica.
Opo, Your Honor.
Ibig sabihin po ba nun, pwede yung sabihin kay Colonel Lachica, mali yan. Hindi pwede yan.
Nagtanong,
O sinusunod nyo lang po lahat ng sinasabi niya.
mangutana ako sa iya, Your Honor, kung unsa na, Your Honor, o nganong ka na ang gastuhon, Your Honor. Asa na, paunsa na siya paunsa na siya na related
Ah,
sa
magandang sagot niya.
confidential, Your Honor.
So tinatanong niyo lang po siya, ano yan, para saan yan, pasok ba yan sa confidential fund o hindi? At pag sumagot siya, isusunod niyo na po yan.
Kung masatisfy ko po sa iyang
Ayan.
explain sa ko, Your Honor.
Pag nakontento kayo sa paliwanag niya, ilalagay niyo pa.
Ayan, very
Yes,
clear
Your
ha.
Honor.
Okay.
Okay. Attorney Ligotan, your witness.
Thank you so much. Now, going back, Madam Witness, going to the fiscal and financial plan for the so-called Good Governance Program, you will confirm you allocated 125 million pesos. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
In fact, ma'am, as can be seen, show the plan again. You did not list specific activities under the Good Governance Program. Ulitin ko, wala po kayong inilista na mga specific, particular activities under the Good Governance Program. Wala po kayong nakalistang specific activities.
Objection, Your Honor. Original document rule, Your Honor.
Can I explain? Can I rebut
Witness,
that?
what's your comment, Attorney Ligotan?
Your Honor, I don't want to put the defense on the spot. Your Honor, please, that is, with all respect, a wrong invocation of the original document rule. The original document rule simply states na hindi po pwedeng
Yung NDMRRC dyan very distracting
hindi po pwedeng magpresenta ng ebidensya na secondary kung hindi ipipresenta yung original. Pero Your Honor, the fact na yung original ay nasa harap na sa isang witness, I don't see any where in the rules that will prohibit counsel from propounding questions on the basis of that document. For me,
Besides, counsel, Attorney Bakel, the counsel is not trying to change the contents of the document. He's merely asking the witness to explain the contents of the document. Ms. Acosta, you may answer, ma'am. Ang nilagay niyo lamang po, good governance, ano po yan?
program po.
Programs at wala po kayo nilagay na detalye ng mga programa yun.
Ay, wala po akong nilagay na detalye, Your Honor, kasi sa GC po, Your Honor, wala naman po nakabutang dito na i-itemize, Your Honor.
Now, let's go to paragraph 6.1 ng Joint Circular 2015. Okay. Show it, please. Di po ba sa 6.1 sinasabi dyan? Cash advances shall be used for, yung term ginamit mamis, specific detail, specific legal purpose. Okay? At saka 5.2.2, nakasulat dyan, agencies shall report the specific detail of the corresponding expenditures. In two instances po, nakasulat sa Joint Circular yung term na specific. And you will stand by your answer.
Argumentative, Your Honor.
Wait. I'm just confirming. Despite these two provisions, you are of the opinion, Madam, na walang requirement na dapat specific.
Argumentative, Your
Programa.
Honor.
Objection is overruled. Witness will answer, please.
Your Honor, sa mga dokumento po na i-attach dito sa confidential funds liquidation, daghan po ang document, Your Honor, na isubmit nimo nga na ay documents dito nga kailangan i-itemize nimo, Your Honor.
In the reports.
Your Honor, sa
In the report.
isa sa mga dokumento nga i-attach nimo dito, liquidate nimo sa confidential funds, Your Honor.
Okay.
Let me state that for the record. Correct me if I'm wrong, Ma'am Gina. Yung binabanggit po niyong pag-comply, walang nakalagay specifically sa Joint Circular na dapat specific yun dun sa, what's that, counsel? Physical and
Financial
financial plan.
plan po.
Pero sa dokumentong sinasubmit, nandun na yung mga detalye, Ma'am Gina.
Inana, Your Honor.
Yes.
Yan po.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. But there is only, this is another question now. There is only a blanket program, general program, good governance program in the plan. And the plan did not mention any surveillance operations by specific number, location, or cost. Do you want me to repeat the question or you can answer
Objection, Your
now?
Honor. Asked and answered and original document rule, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor,
Not yet answered, counsel. And again, same ruling as your point on the original document rule.
Ma'am, yung tanong is, wala pong specific mention ng specific number, location, or cost ng mga sinasabi niyong surveillance operations. Wala doon sa plano, di po ba?
Your Honor, unsa na, pwede mangutan na, Your Honor, unsa na nga dokumento, Your Honor.
Yung plano po, physical and financial plan. Nakasulat dyan, good governance program. Anyway, Your Honor, please,
At this juncture, I will agree with counsel for respondent. Asked and answered,
Yes.
counsel. That's her answer.
thank you so much. Now, aside from walang surveillance operations by number, location, or cost, wala ding specific targets nakasulat sa plano for each of the program activities. Tama po ba? Walang specific targets this time.
Tanaw na ko, Your Honor, ha.
By all means po.
For 2022, Your
2022,
Honor,
yes ma'am.
sa amo ang physical financial plan, Your Honor,
Oo.
naikulong dito nga physical target, Your Honor.
Opo. Yes. Ma'am, okay, mayroon. Ma'am, yung tanong is, nakasulat lang dyan is, ma'am, number, period, of identified areas of surveillance conducted and monitored. And then yung pangalawa, letter B, yung ano lang, yung simbolo ng percentage, no? Percentage of activities implemented without specifying, una po, this is the first question, ano yung actual number? Wala po, di po ba? Yes po?
Wala pa, Your Honor. Kaya wala
Sa
pa
plano.
man na itabo. Plano pa man ni Your Honor.
Aha. Okay. So wala pa, kasi plano pa lang, and then you ask for 125 million pesos. Kahit wala pang activities, plano pa lang. Tama po ba?
Misleading,
Meron
Your
ako.
Honor.
It's not misleading.
Your Honor, the question.
That's a follow-up question. Your Honor.
Objection is sustained. Ask based on the document, counsel.
Okay, now. The next
You're
issue.
referring to the physical target only, not
Yes,
the
sir.
actual funds.
Yes, sir. Now, nakalagay ba dyan yung actual number? Yes or no? May numero ba?
Wala pa, Your Honor.
Okay. May naka-indicate ba na percentage, actual percentage, under the category percentage of activities implemented? Wala po ba? Mayroon ba? Wala.
Wala pa, Your Honor. Pero gihimo na, Your Honor, kay naanay approval. Kung asa min nakabalo kung pila ang kwarta, Your Honor, kay naanay saro.
Now, okay. Ma'am,
Kindly translate that for the record.
who can translate that, please? Ano sabi na? It's indicated because there's already a SARO. If the defense will stipulate on that
Parang hindi
interpretation,
yata ganun kay Cleon, counsel.
you may have your own. Oh.
Your Honor.
The translation we're getting is it's not the number and percentage is not there. Yung percentage po at yung bilang wala po doon dahil kaka-release pa lang ng SARO. Tama po ba, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
That was the answer.
As best as we could, counsel. Please proceed.
Now, the 2022 Physical and Financial Plan allocated, ma'am, nag-allocate po ng 125 billion pesos kahit walang breakdown ng amount for each specific activity. Tama po ba?
As unanswered, Your Honor.
Yeah, but there's another angle as to the amount relative to the activity, as to the budget that the Office of the Vice President is asking.
It's the same point, Your Honor.
Same point, counsel.
Okay,
Move on. We
move
get
on.
what you have established.
Thank you so much. Now, therefore, Madam Witness, yung Office of the Vice President can just include, pwedeng i-include, isama ng Office of the Vice President sa liquidation reports ng kahit anong activity so long as ililabel siya na parte ng broad, good governance program. Do you want me to repeat the question or you can answer now?
Taas kayo mong
I
question,
will.
Your Honor. Pwede ang tawag ani, i-clarify, Your Honor.
Your Honor, if the court may allow, I will repeat the
Ay,
question.
di makalusot si ano
Therefore,
eh.
madam,
Ligutan eh.
Kasi nga walang breakdown. In draft, sa paggawa nyo ng liquidation report, pwede yung isama doon sa liquidation report ng kahit anong aktibidad so long as sasabihin nyo parte yan ng good governance program. Tama
Objection,
po
Your
ba?
Honor.
What's the basis?
What's the objection, counsel?
Misleading and speculative, Your Honor.
It's not, counsel. In fact, I think that's one of the questions some of the senator judges will ask. Ma'am, naintindihan niyo po yung tanong?
I can ask that in
Ma'am Gina?
Bisaya.
Ma'am Gina, naintindihan niyo po yung tanong?
Parang duha man ka question iyang buot pa sa buot attorney.
ma'am,
Ay,
Ang
Your
nilagay niyo lang
Honor.
po doon, good governance, what's that, counsel? Programs?
Good governance program po.
Good governance program. Ang tanong po niya, so, ano man yung sabihin nila, basta sabihin good governance program, pasok na po yun doon.
Sa report po, sa report.
Sa report lang po.
Sa report na liquidation po.
Apo.
Your Honor, kung paghimo na ko og liquidation report, nagbase po ako sa fund utilization report nga gihatag sa ako sa amo ang security officer, Your Honor. Na makita dito kung asa nagasto ang kwarta unsa nga mga expenses og pila, Your
So, ang
Honor.
pinagbabasihan niyo po yung liquidation report ng security officer na si Colonel Lachica. Tama po?
Yes, Your Honor.
Out of curiosity, may tinanggihan ba kayong liquidation report na sinubmit ni Colonel Lachica o lahat po ng binigay niya sa iyo ay tinanggap mo? Na parte ng good governance program.
Unsa, Your Honor?
Meron po ba kayong tinanggihan na liquidation na sinubmit si Colonel Lachica sa 125 million sa last quarter ng 2022? O lahat po ng sinumitin niya na liquidation, tinanggap nyo at sa pananaw nyo ay kasama ng good governance program?
Ang lahat ng mga reports na gihatag niya sa ako, Your Honor, akong gidawat, Your Honor, kay siya man ang nakabalo unsaon pag-implementar sa mga confidential activities, kay siya ang eksperto, Your Honor, dito sa ground,
So,
Your Honor.
lahat po ng
Kaya
binigay
ako
niya sa inyo,
gitawat.
tinanggap nyo at kinonsidera ninyo na parte ng good governance program dahil siya naman yung nakakaalam at intindi dahil siya naman yung nasa ground. Tama po?
Inana, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
So, let me continue on that point, Counsel, with your permission and indulgence. So, yung tree planting, good governance program po yun.
Ano sa Your Honor?
Yung tree planting, binanggit niyo po kanina, tree planting, good governance program po yun. Kasama po yun doon sa pag-liquidate?
Ang ibig sabihin, Your Honor, usa paghihimo ang tree planting, Your Honor, na ay gihimo
Ang sinatanong ko po, ma'am, yung
security
activity,
officer, Your Honor.
yung activity na tree planting, party po yun ng good governance sa pagkakaunawa ninyo na program. Yes or no, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor, pero usa ta gihimo, Your Honor, ang security officer, Your Honor, na ay gihimong surveillance, monitoring, Your Honor.
Nabasa ko po yun. Pati yung libreng sakay, part ng good governance. May
Yes,
surveillance din po doon. Nakita ko po sa liquidation report.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Okay, Council, proceed.
Thank you so much. Yun yung liquidation report.
Opo.
Now, okay, mama. Now, the point is, punta naman tayo sa accomplishment report. Kasi nga, iba yun, di ba? Now, same line of question, but this time, different document. You can just include, kung pwede yung isulat sa accomplishment report, kahit ano na lang activity, kahit anong activity, in the accomplishment report this time, not liquidation reports. So long as, i-label nyo lang, under yan, ng good governance program. You want me to repeat the question, ma'am, or you can answer now?
Durag duha man kabuk ang question nato, Your Honor.
Accomplishment report this time. Yung kanina po, nag-guess nyo na, liquidation report. Ngayon yung tanong is, sa accomplishment report naman, pareho lang.
Kasi ang style ng kanyang pagtatanong, paikot-ikutin niya eh. Kaya alam niya naman niya, honest yung witness na yan eh.
Kahit anong activity, isasama sa accomplishment report, so long as isusulat under good governance program. Tama
Council,
po ba?
can you confront the witness with the accomplishment report? Assistant
Okay,
Council, can you show her the accomplishment report? Para maunawaan ng
Opo.
testigo na ibang dokumento na pinag-uusapan natin. Kanina yung physical and financial plan, ngayon naman yung accomplishment report. Pakitingnan po at pag-aralan yung dokumento, Ma'am Gina. Para alam niyo po na yan ang tinutukoy ni Atty. Ligutan sa mga katanungan po niya sa inyo.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Mm.
Kaduha mi naghimo og accomplishment report, Your Honor, for 2022.
Yes, ma'am.
Kung dalawang beses po kayo gumawa ng accomplishment report, Ma'am Gina,
Opo, Your Honor.
alin po yan? Yung nauna o yung sumunod?
Ang kaning gihatag sa ako, Your Honor, mao ni ang una nga gihimo, Your Honor.
Yung unang accomplishment report. Meron ba kayong copy ng pangalawang accomplishment report at Atty. Ligutan?
Anyways, we can live with one report.
Okay.
For this point, Your Honor, please.
Okay, for this
Can I
point.
ask the direct question na lang.
Sige, Your Honor.
Madam Witness, kinukumpirma mo na may mga activities sa report nyo, sa liquidation, sa accomplishment report na nabasa nyo, na hindi makikita, mababasa sa physical and financial plan. Tama po ba?
Your Honor, paghimo na mo.
Ma'am, this time po, I hope you don't mind po. Yung question is simple, no? So, pwede kang tanungin ng abogado ng kabila, pero pakisagot lang po muna.
The witness
Yes
is
or no?
answering, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Let the witness answer.
Allow the witness to answer,
Okay.
Council.
Yes. May mga activities, programa, kalihukan in Bisaya reflected in the report, accomplishment reports, na hindi naman mababasa, makikita, nailista sa physical and financial plan. Tama po ba?
Libog. Nalito ako, Your Honor.
Nandito ka. Anyways, Your Honor,
Ma'am, sa accomplishment report, yes, Senator Judge Zubiri, would you like to offer your services?
Yes, actually, not the services to interpret, but it's possible that Attorney Ligutan could ask the question in Bisaya para maintindihan, kasi pareho kami mga Bisaya, para maintindihan ni Ma'am Acosta. And then, anyway, it can be objected to by the defense because I know there are 3 or 4 of you, Bisaya, taga Cebu, tulo mo diya, nakasabot. So, you can always object if the translation of Attorney Ligutan is wrong, is different. It's simple Bisaya naman. Makasabot man ta, pero ang mga tinagalog din hindi kasabot. But it's very simple.
Yes,
so,
so.
maybe that way we don't have to keep stopping. Attorney Ligutan can ask the question first in Tagalog and then translate to simple Bisaya. Makatubag ni si Ma'am, she can answer. And then Attorney Ligutan can offer the answer also in Tagalog. If it is not of course, approved by the defense can give a clarification of what the answer of the lady witness has.
The point of the
Thank you
Senator
very much.
Judge is well taken. Let's try to do that,
Okay, now.
counsels, with your permission. Yes, Attorney Bakel?
Yes, Your Honor. May we respectfully suggest for a court-appointed interpreter, considering that hindi po kasi ako Bisaya. So, actually, nahihirapan po ako to understand the witness, understand Attorney Ligutan, and understand my colleagues who are likewise.
If you may, if you will please, we already have an interpreter, actually 2 of them here,
Yes.
that will course it through the chair if there is a need to do so. Some of the words are understandable. Anyway, kindly proceed slowly, Attorney Ligutan.
I will. So,
But on this issue and on this question, Ms. Acosta, ang tanong po sa inyo, may mga nilagay po kayong accomplishment report na wala dun sa physical and financial plan. Na sinabi nyo lamang o tinisip nyo lang, kasama yan sa good governance program.
Ang nasulat sa accomplishment report, Your Honor, is yung mga expenses na allowable po sa confidential funds.
Opo, pero wala nga po yan, hindi yan nilagay doon sa Fiscal and Financial Plan. Nakalagay lang po sa accomplishment report.
Sa accomplishment report, Your Honor, kung actual.
Kaya nga, doon nga lang po nakasulat. Sa Fiscal and Financial Plan, wala po doon.
Generic po ang sa
Generic.
physical financial
Okay.
plan, Your Honor.
Attorney Ligutan, continue.
Opo. That's a cue to the next question. And because the program indicated in the plan is broad and general, generic sabi nyo, so much discretion is given to the office of the Vice President on how to utilize confidential funds. Translate into Tagalog. Unfortunately, I'll be needing, ano pong ibig sabihin, what's Tagalog for discretion po? Kasi nga, broad, general, yung program nakasulat sa PFP. Okay? Maski ano na lang, kahit anong gustong gawin, magagawa. Oh, wait, natin ng Office of the Vice President sa paggamit ng confidential funds. You want to state in Bisaya po? Kay tungod, general, generic, ang programa nakasulat sa plano bisag unsa. So much discretion. Ma'am, I think you understand discretion, di po ba?
Authority?
Dako ang pagbuot sa Office of the Vice President kung unsaon nila paggamit sa confidential funds. Tama po ba?
Objection,
Dili,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
What's the objection, Counsel?
Speculative and argumentative, Your Honor.
It's not argumentative, Counsel. Neither is it speculative. Objection overruled. Ma'am Gina, dahil po kayo nagsabi generic yung good governance program, malaking laya ang nabigay sa inyo para magsulat ng kung anumang mga programa na papasok doon sa generic na good governance program.
Dili, Your Honor. Kaya
Hindi.
nagbase ako sa Joint Circular 2015.
So ang sagot ay hindi ganun kalaki ang kalayaang meron sila dahil binase niya yung kanyang accomplishment report sa JC 2015-1. Tama po ba?
Oh.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Attorney Ligutan.
Now, showing you again, Madam Witness, the 2022 Fiscal and Financial Plan. After you prepared the plan, nakasulat dyan, show the document please, it was noted, Attorney J, noted by a certain Rosalyn Sanchez. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mhm. Yes, Your Honor. The document please. And thereafter, you presented the plan kay Inday Sara, Vice President Sara, for her approval. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Di
Okay.
pakita na ako sa iyo.
In this case, did she provide any feedback on the stated generic, coming from your own mouth, good governance program?
Unsa, Your Honor?
Nihatag ba, I'm sure you know feedback, nihatag ba og feedback si Vice President Sara Duterte sa sinabi mong generic, good governance program? Katong imong ipakita ang plano para sa iyahang approval.
Di basa lang niya, Your Honor. Pag human og basa, perma siya.
Yan. Saan po pumirma si Sara Zimmerman Duterte? Sa parte ng plano. Saan dyan?
Sa approve.
Approved by, showing on screen, approved by Sara Z. Duterte, Vice President, Agency Head, Department Secretary, LCE.
With the indulgence of Attorney Ligutan, what is the pleasure of Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo?
Mr. President, I have here the transcript of the hearing in Congress. Hindi ko po maintindihan bakit parang dito hirap na hirap po siya magtagalog. When in fact sa Congress po noong November, Tagalog naman po ang sagot niya. Ang tanong po sa kanya ni Congressman Luistro, payment of incentive, 11 po. Would you know whether this amounts would total 120 exactly? Yes, ma'am. Gitotal ko po yan, ma'am. 120 million po. It's all puro Tagalog, Mr. President. What is this? I mean, mabuti po sana pati yung discretionary, and she's a government official, she doesn't know what discretionary means is. I mean, what it means? Dito po, sumasagot naman po siya. English, Tagalog. Yes po.
Bida-bida na naman.
Are you aware? Opo. O may authority special disbursing officer kasi po wala akong alam kung paano po i-implement ang mga confidential. Mr. President, tama na po itong panluloko sa atin. Please, Mr. President, compel this witness to talk in...
Sabi pa niya na nanuloko pa tong witness. Hindi ka kasi Bisaya eh. Gago itong taong to eh.
Tagalog. Kahit po yung mga Bisaya po nakaintindi ng Tagalog, nakakasalita ng Tagalog, ano tayo sa ibang bansa? Ano tayo, mga Hapon, mga Chinese? I know, Miss Witness, you can understand Tagalog, you can speak Tagalog, dahil nandito po ito. Ilang pahina po ito.
Ba't umiiyak?
Tagalog po yung sagot po ninyo. English po, sumasagot kayo. Tinatanong kayo ng English, sumasagot po kayo. Bakit ngayon parang hirap na hirap? Kailangan i-translate sa Tagalog, sa Bisaya, sagot, Tagalog, Bisaya, Tagalog, Bisaya. Eh, abutin mo tayo ng isang taon dito, Mr. President. Ito po, sumagot naman po siya. Alam nga ba naman, lulukuhin tayo ng nagtatranscribe po nito. Sagot po yan. Kasi po, nagbabase lang po ako sa ibinigay ni Sir La Chica ng mga ibinalik niya sa akin. Ms. Acosta, kindly answer the question. Piatos po ang sinabi ko, ma'am, na apelyido. That's all, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo. Point well taken. Attorney Ligutan, to abbreviate the proceedings, kindly choose one language, English
Alright.
or Filipino, in asking the question. You don't have to translate each time unless the witness requests you to do so.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preferably use Filipino, Attorney Ligutan.
Opo,
as I'm
opo.
sure
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
well versed with it as well. Para
Yes,
mas maunawaan po ni Ms.
Presiding-
Gina.
Honorable Presiding Officer.
You may proceed, Counsel.
Ma'am, na tubig. There's water if you want to take water po, ha?
Yes.
Take water. Now, since you said, inaprubahan po ng Vice President yung plano, kasama sa inaprubahan ng Vice President yung generic good governance
Ito kasi
program.
magtanong eh. Pahinto-hinto eh.
I-approve niya, Your Honor.
Okay. In fact, ma'am, yun din po yung naging tugon nyo sa same line of questioning noong November 25, 2024, as shown by that portion of the transcript. You confirm that it was may approval po ng head of agency at saka yung head of agency is the respondent in this case, Sara VP Duterte, Vice President. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Let's proceed po sa susunod na punto. Let's go to the physical and financial plan naman. This time, para naman sa 2023. From good governance program, ma'am, this time, Attorney J, it can be seen sa plano, this time, hindi na good governance program, kundi nakasulat dyan, socio-economic program delivery.
With the indulgence of Counsel, can the tech please zoom in? Yes, kindly zoom in.
You proceed, Your Honor.
Ms. Gina will please answer. Kindly confirm na nakasulat na po sa 2023 ay yung Socio-Economic Program Delivery.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi na po Good Governance Program.
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed, Your Honor. But, sa 2023 Physical and Financial Plan, okay, yung expected outcome naman, nananatili. 2022 na expected outcome. Nakasulat, safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building for 2022. Same expected outcome, safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Ma'am, pwedeng mas malapit pa sa mikropono para po marinig. Again, may tubig dyan, ma'am, ha, if you want to drink water now. Therefore, masasabi natin, base sa dokumento, ma'am, yung 2023 Physical and Financial Plan, kopya lang. Kopya lang ng number 1, physical target galing sa 2022. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor. Document would speak for itself because the prosecution is asking the witness what is already based on the document as the question is framed, Your Honor.
Witness may answer. I'm just not so sure if she understands the word copy. But so, Ma'am Gina, pareho lang po ang nilalaman ng Physical and Financial Plan ng 2022 at 2023 maliban doon sa nag-iisang unang column. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, proceed. Same with budget for each quarter. Para sa fourth quarter ng 2022, 125 billion pesos. Para naman sa budget na hinihingi ng Office of the Vice President para sa unang quarter, pangalawang quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter ng 2023, ma'am. Kopyang-kopya yung amount. 125 million pesos. Tama po ba?
Tama, Your Honor, kay mao man na ang nakabutang sa GAA, Your Honor.
Yun. Proceed, Your Honor.
Tama daw dahil yun daw ang nakalagay sa GAA.
Both the 2022 Physical and Financial Plan and the 2023 version provided for broad program under po sa programs, activities, and projects. Sa 2022, Good Governance Program. Sa 2023 naman, Socio-Economic Program. Pero as to budget, pareho. Yes or no?
Pareho, Your Honor.
As to expected outcome, pareho.
Pareho, Your Honor.
Alright, now, let's go to this physical target naman. In the 2023 Physical Plan, same observation ba, ma'am? Na nakasulat dyan, letter A, number, identified areas with surveillance conducted and monitored without, hindi po nakasulat dyan yung actual na numero. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Same with the letter B entry, percentage. Nakasulat dyan, percentage, the symbol, symbolizing percentage of activities implemented without and toward security-related incidents without stating the actual percentage. Tama po ba? Walang number.
Tama po, Your Honor.
Alright. In fact, you admitted, Madam, in the November 25, 2024 Committee on Good Government hearing that you have to consult Colonel La Chica on what to put in the fiscal and financial plan. Do you remember this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yan. The programs, yung programa po, yung mga ini-expect natin resulta sa mga programa, yung mga targets ng mga plano, lahat ng ito ay gawa, ay galing kay Colonel La Chica. Di po ba?
Ano to, Your Honor? Ay, sorry, sorry.
I will repeat.
Kindly repeat, Counsel.
Ang programa sa plano, ang expected outcome, ang target sa fiscal plan, galing kay Colonel La Chica. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's the objection?
What's the objection, Counsel?
Ask and answer, Your Honor. The witnesses already testified previously that security officer is providing inputs and guidance,
This is
Your Honor.
2023, Your Honor.
I think the question pertains to 2023 now. That was
Yes.
the answer with respect to 2022. Ma'am Gina, yung nangyari po ba ng 2022, ganun din po sa 2023, galing kay Colonel La Chica?
Sa paggawa ng physical financial plan, Your Honor, kasama gyapon ako siya. Kasama ko siya, Your Honor. Sa kanya pa rin ako nanghingi ng inputs and guidelines po, Your Honor.
Yes.
So galing nga po sa kanya. Galing
Kami-
kay Colonel La Chica yung inyong inputs na nilagay dito.
Kaming dalawa po, Your Honor, ang nag-discuss, Your Honor.
Mhm.
Counsel, your witness.
Let's go to that November 25, 2024 hearing. Ma'am, tinanong ka ni Representative Jinky Luistro. As a matter of fact, the financial plan does not bear all the signature or the name of Colonel La Chica. Ma'am, yung sagot mo dyan, yes po. Pero sa kanya po ako humihingi ng inputs or information with regards to the implementation of all these projects included in the confidential funds. This is what you said under oath in November 25, 2024. Under oath.
Opo.
Tama po ba? Your Honor, please. I mean, did you answer? Opo?
Opo.
Opo, ma'am. Your Honor, it's 12. Can I ask one question and I move for lunch break?
Yes, Counsel. You
Before
may.
we proceed to the next question. Ito yung tanong now. Ma'am,
Yes, sir. Okay, please, attorney.
opo. Sa lahat ng mga dokumento, isinumitin nyo sa COA, Commission on Audit, the plan, accomplishment reports, liquidation reports, nakasaad ba dyan sa kahit anong dokumento yung sinasabi nyo na lahat ng inputs yung sinulat nyo sa plano, lahat ng inputs sinulat nyo sa reporting to COA, nakasaad ba dyan yung pangalan ni Colonel La Chica? Yes,
Objection,
or no?
Your Honor. The document would speak for itself, Your Honor.
Yung tanong kasi niya, nagrambula na yung tanong eh. May pahinto-hinto pa kasi.
That's a question the public is very much willing to hear.
Witness may answer. Counsel, let the witness answer. I think
Yes
she
or
knows
no?
the answer anyway.
Yes or no?
Tama ba pag-understand ko sa question mo, Your Honor, na sa lahat ng mga dokumento na isubmit ko
Plano, physical plan, ma'am.
sa physical plan,
Okay, sa accomplishment report
accomplishment
mismo,
report,
sa liquidation
sa
report,
liquidation report.
sa certification na successful yung paggamit, tama yung paggamit ng plano. May isang dokumento ba doon, ma'am, limited po tayo doon ha, na ipinakita nyo sa publiko na si Colonel La Chica yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng input sa mga plano, saka siya yung nag-implement ng mga programs activities. Meron ba doon? Yes or no?
Wala.
Move for lunch break, please.
Ma'am Gina, kain muna tayo para makahinga at relax kayo.
Sige
Konti
po,
rin.
mas better po, attorney. Ay, Your Honor.
Okay lang po, ma'am. Okay, mag-alala doon. Pahinga muna kayo, kain tayo. The court will declare a lunch recess. We shall resume at 12:45.
Ayan ha, so ewan ko lang kung bakit si Senator Tulfo nagbida-bida na naman, no? Ito si Erwin Tulfo pala, no? Kung parang hindi siya, parang wala siyang ano eh. Parang wala siyang tiwala witness na masyadong nararambulan o nako-confuse yung witness dahil nga sa language eh. Wala siyang tiwala si Erwin Tulfo. Paki-like, paki-share na lang po no sa mga nanonood sa Donmar TV sa impeachment at ilatag niyo ang inyong opinion, no? I-comment ninyo